Welcome you to Pakistan and to the Foreign Office, yeah, to the State Department, and that's always a positive. And a string of important visits would do the necessary we would have all hoped hadn't occurred. Some of them of our own making, some of them not entirely of our own making. I think the responsibility of playing it out, a deeper understanding of each other's compulsions, as I said, relationship goes forward in the trajectory that it should, but also to ensure that we are able to do better messaging. If we want to be able to build a relationship on solid footing. And I think as we go deeper into our conversation, we would be very interested in finding out, how we are looking at various aspects of this relationship.
Another meeting there was a great contribution of the United Camp was unprecedented. The helicopter world history and that was the time he assisted.